Hey there, it's Charlotte, and I just wanted to do a really quick chicken update. These chickens, I believe, are about a month old now, and they have gone from the cutest little baby fluffy butts to rascal teenagers. And JoJo, if you're watching, hi, thanks for subscribing to my channel, and this is for you, my dear. All right, there's the freeloaders there, and I bet you there ain't an egg in here. Let's check and see. Oh, looky there. We have 3, and none of them are deformed. Imagine that. I'm really glad that we don't have any more deformed eggs. I was really worried about them after I had that weird-shaped egg, so I did put them on a round of antibiotics, and everybody seems fine, and yeah, now we're getting a few eggs every week. I was thinking about putting some lights in the coop, and that way they'll lay through the winter, and since I'm not going to have them much longer, and their replacements are about to take over, well, why not? Get as many eggs as I can out of them. So now we're going to get to see the babies. Now look, get prepared because they might start flying out everywhere. And if they do, I'm going to have to throw the phone and start running after baby chickens. So I'm going to do it. Now, you little turd, get off me. All right, let's try this again. There they are. Now, y'all, I don't have names for these chickens yet, except for the white one. My little granddaughter named it Marshmallow. But the other 5 don't have names yet. Ouch. So anyhow, I know when I started, there were 11 of these. But we had a tragedy in the coop. And the neighborhood cat was picking them off one by one at first. And then one day I come out here and 3 of my chickens were injured or dead. Thankfully, the cat didn't get all of the chickens. And I have these 6 left. And we also did some modifications to this brooder that will ensure that no kind of predator can get in here. I really thought that Poppy had secured it well enough in the beginning. And I learned my lesson. See that one with the white on it? I believe that this guy here is either a Dominicker or a Copper Marans. The black one over there is a black Australorp. The 2 solid gray ones are called blue Australorps. That little lady there, the brown pretty one, that's an Easter egger. And she's going to lay blue-green eggs, hopefully. Usually they do. And that white one there is called a California white. But there's the new babies. I may end up getting a couple of more in the spring, but right now, I'm just going to be happy with what I've got left. So I hope y'all enjoyed that update. Well, what'd you think of that? That was a mess. Y'all have a great day, and I'll talk to you again real soon, all right?